Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. If you are opening for the very first time, you will be able to pick between the parental controls and the digital well-being, so simply tap on show your data. And as you can see, we've been transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can see that I've been using it for 44 minutes and the time is divided between those apps and the others, of course. And basically here we've got the unlocks and notifications count, and we've got two different ways to check some further details. So we can either tap right in the middle of this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard connected to the whole screen. Under it we've got the apps which are listed and particular time added to it. They will show how much time you've spent on particular app. And basically that's all. Here you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way to check the details is to tap directly on the app. And as you can see right now, we've got again the dashboard, but right now it is entirely connected with this particular app, so in my case settings. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. So basically this is how to check the total screen time, but I'd like to share with you some information about the ways to disconnect, because I really think that they can be quite useful, especially the focus mode or the bedtime mode. So let me show you. So let's enter the focus mode, and if you need the time for yourself, you need to focus, you want to sleep, you just want to have a time without the social media and so on, you can select distracting apps, so the apps from which you are receiving most notifications. Let's show them, and let's pretend that I receive most notifications from the Chrome, the calculator, let's say, and the Google Drive. And here we can set a schedule, so we can pick particular days and particular time in which your device will limit the notifications. So basically, thanks to that, your device will hide the notifications, you will not be distracted. So that's the best idea, that's the best mode to use if you really want to rest and you don't want to be disturbed. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.